Want to keep up with your favorite people on Bluesky? I'll show you how to follow someone and stay updated on their posts in just a few quick steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to follow someone on Bluesky app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up the Bluesky app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Next, tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type in the username or name of the person that you want to follow. Once you find the person's profile, tap on their name to open their full profile page. On their profile page, you'll see a follow button. Tap on it. And now you're following them. You'll start seeing their posts in your feed. And that's how you follow someone on Bluesky. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.